Turmeric tea is a powerful natural remedy for cold and cough. Its active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Drinking turmeric tea helps soothe a sore throat and reduce congestion. It supports the immune system, helping your body fight infections naturally. The warm beverage also eases chest tightness and calms coughing. When combined with black pepper or honey, its effects are even stronger. It promotes better sleep, which is crucial during illness recovery. Turmeric tea may help shorten the duration of a cold. It's a comforting and healing drink during flu season. Always use fresh turmeric or quality powder for best results.